Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Journey Say. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: monotone paint application, billet clear coat, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, quick order package 22A included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 steel, STD, normal duty suspension, STD, connectivity group included, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped steering wheel, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth included, leather-wrapped steering wheel and transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today.